Hi, this is Michelle, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Are you ready, Michelle?
I think so.
Okay, let's start. Song you sing in the shower.
Singing in the shower. I don't sing it, but singing in the shower, there is a song.
Best movie or TV series of all time.
Movie Harry Potter.
I'm Harry Potter.
Favorite food.
Ceviche.
Something you're great at cooking.
Pasta.
If the soap falls to the floor, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty?
Dirty.
Favorite vacation spot.
Disney.
Do you have pets?
No, I have squirrels as a neighbors.
Favorite holiday.
Halloween.
Two things you consider you're very good at.
Smile while I'm nervous.
And another thing.
Another thing that I good.
Yeah.
Make the other people smile while I'm smiling, I think.
Okay, time.
Ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?